Hey y'all, Kayla Mowdy, Doctor of Physical Therapy here with another Monday educational moment. Today I want to tackle the topic of great PT versus average PT versus some not so great PT. So physical therapy is just like any profession. You're going to have people who excel. You're going to have people who do a good job but aren't really pursuing greatness. And then you're going to have those that are not on top of the newest practices and are still kind of practicing the same way they did when they first came out of school. So that is the first thing that you will find in a great PT, is that they are a continuous learner. You can ask a great PT what's the most recent course they've been to, and they will get excited to tell you where they've been, what they've learned, and what they plan to learn in the near future. So another thing about a great PT is they're going to be hands-on. They're going to do a great physical exam. They're going to touch you. They're going to feel your area of pain. They're going to feel the areas above and below the area of pain. They're going to ask you to move certain ways. They're going to watch. They're going to analyze. They're going to think critically about your problem. They're going to listen to you. They're going to listen to what makes it better, what makes it worse, what is it interfering with. If they don't give you time to talk about your problem, and your complaint and what it is, how it's affecting your life, then it's possible that that's not a great PT. Another thing a great PT will do is teach you. They will take time to explain things to you, explain why they're doing what they're doing and how it is going to get you to the end goal of moving better. They are going to have, they don't rush through their physical exam. They're not rushed. You seem like you're the only person in the room when you have one-on-one time with them. Another thing that is a sign of a great PT is if they work with a PTA, that the relationship between the PT and the PTA is very smooth and very open. You'll see them having conversations about your case and about the cases of the other patients they're working with. You will see your PT frequently. Your PT will speak to you. Your PT will ask you how you're doing, even if you aren't working with your PT that day. And you will see the PT and the PTA conversate about what's going on with your care and how you're progressing, and if there's anything else that we can do to make you better, faster, that we haven't thought of yet. Another thing that can kind of test out your PT is ask them their exercise practices. A lot of us, we preach exercise and we tell you all the things you need to do for yourself and to stay healthy. But a sign of a good PT, another sign of a great PT, is someone who practices what they preach. So don't be afraid to ask them, what type of exercises do you enjoy doing? What are some of the things that you like? I love asking my patients, what have you enjoyed? How have you enjoyed exercising in the past? Because they may not be a walker or a runner. They may like yoga or group classes or something. And I need to know that up front so that I can play on to what they've enjoyed in the past as far as physical activity and promoting that and getting them better and getting them returned to something that is going to keep them healthy lifelong. I hope this is helpful. I do have a few great PTs I know of in the Meridian area and obviously in the Mobile area too. So if you're looking for someone, please don't be afraid to ask. If you can't come see me, I will help you find someone who can take care of you. Y'all have a great Monday. Bye.